Meron pong mga death squad, tapos pinagtuturupan niyo po yung pa niya po yung mga retired generals na, kasama yung mga yan. Just your reaction po.
Well, katulad ng sinabi kanina ni Chairman Abante, ano, merong tayong batas Republic Act 9851. Doon sa 9851 kasi, kinaklaro doon yung defining and yung mga penalizing. Yung mga acts against international humanitarian law, genocide, saka yung crimes against humanity. At doon, meron din yung jurisdiction, tapos yung mga local courts natin ang magte-take over, will take cognizance on that, ano? At doon sa mga sinabi ng dating nating pangulo, admitting, ano, yung kitang-kita naman, klaro naman, 'di ba? I think, alam mo, hindi ko alam kung, well, alam natin si presidente mahilig siya mag-joke. Sometimes hindi na natin alam kung ano yung katotohanan, kung ano yung mga jokes, ano yung tipong pinasasakay lang tayo. But being a former president and a president, I think it is incumbent upon the highest elected official to set the tone, no, of being the top leader of the country. And sa puntong yun medyo nag-fail tayo. Ah, Ngayon yung mga tinura niya doon, this time there must be responsible, and he must be responsible for it. And accordingly, pag binasa mo yung Section 8 ng Republic Act 9851, lumalabas din yung command responsibility ng mga superior. And him being the superior of the land during his incumbency, he will take responsibility on Section 8 of Republic Act 9851. So, even yung binabanggit ni Chairman Abante about sa 9851, nung binasa ko rin kanina, nakalagay doon sa Section 15 that international laws and other laws will be the source of the courts under the jurisdiction of this country. So ibig sabihin pati yung mga genocide convention, yung Geneva Convention, and also the Hague Convention, and at yung convention doon sa rights of the children, nakapol under this. Kaya I think we need to use this Republic Act 9851 by the Department of Justice.
Naman, kung sagutin ko yan, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa ating former president na at least naging honest siya. Inamin niya kasi tinanong namin si Colonel Patay, wala raw DDS eh. O ngayon, yung dating Pangulo na nagsabi meron.